Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, MadeenAsiaa. So today I'm going to be showing you how I clean the glue off of my lace. I was cleaning my wigs and I was like, I should show the people how I clean the glue off my lace. So this is what we're currently looking like. I cleaned all the rest of them already. I saved the shortest for last because I did want to film this process, and it's easier to work with the shorter one. What I use is, of course, the wig. I use an edge control brush, and because the end is broke, I don't really use it. I got like 3 other ones that I could use if I wanted to do my edges, so I don't use this one. I have a bowl of hot water, and I have some dish liquid, some Dawn dish liquid. So what I'm gonna do is wet the lace and get to cleaning it, so you guys can watch that process while I do it. It shouldn't take long. This is the fastest process that I've used by far. Even with alcohol, I mean, it works, but this works better to me, so let's get it. As you can see, the lace is pretty clean. It took me maybe 15 minutes to clean the lace. Now I'm just gonna put some conditioner on it just to, soften the hair up a little bit. And I let that sit for about an hour, and excuse me. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.